Hi everybody, we just wanted to get on to say a quick few words, some words of gratitude and just being grateful and thankful for all of the viewers, everyone out there that tunes in weekly, likes, comments, shares, supports our channel. We have been on this journey, my mother and I, for a couple of years now, and starting 2025 will be the start of our third year doing this. It started with just wanting to document for family, keeping tradition alive, and everything that I had from memories of childhood I wanted to document to pass along to the next generations, and also picking up new recipes along the way, and why not share with all of you guys. And it has been such a fun journey. We are so grateful for every single one of you. We are truly blessed to also have this time to do this together during our busy schedules, but this is something that truly is a passion for myself, and for my mother it just brings her back lots of wonderful memories too. I mean, growing up we were always in the kitchen together with my siblings too, my aunts, my grandmother, so passing this on is hopefully giving you guys all the desire to want to get back in the kitchen, dig up those old recipes or try some new recipes, because honestly for myself, and I think I'm speaking for my mother too, just homemade is always it touches home. Home is where the heart is, and food to me, it translates that way too. So we just wanted to thank you all again for your love and support. We wish you all wonderful holidays with your loved ones wherever you're sharing it around the world. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy beautiful start to a new year, and we hope that we get you guys in the kitchen cooking. Stay tuned, stay connected. We have a lot more in store for Love What You Eat, aside from our new recipe blog, which is www.lovewhatyoueat.net. We have more in store, so stay connected. Hit that subscribe button and pass it along to you in Italian for the festive goodbye greetings.
Vi auguriamo tutte buone feste, buon Natale, buona fina, buon Brigibio e buon anno a tutti. Un forte abbraccio. Ciao!
Bye to all.